Iconic for both its form and function, the powerful Range Rover Sport continues to redefine performance and capability as the fastest and most agile Land Rover vehicle ever assembled. The Range Rover Sport has been remade with an all-aluminum structure that helped trim off 800 pounds. The HSE offers a new 3.0-liter V6 supercharged engine so this lighter weight model can deliver high performance with impressive efficiency. From top down or front to rear, the HSE builds on all of the standard features of the SE and includes an even broader array of interior and exterior. Some key features found on this specific model here are the sliding panoramic roof with power blind, full Oxford perforated leather seats, and 20-inch 5-split spokes alloyed wheels with heated front seats. To the back we have the Silver Sport badge on the tailgate. The HSE interior and exterior trim differentiation including aluminum tread plates with Range Rover lettering. This is an 8-speed electronic control automatic with command shift with single-speed electronic transfer box with torso differential. Some other noteworthy feature to mention about this 2014 Range Rover Sport here is that it has terrain response system which includes the general snow and mud and sand mode. Alright, so in this video we're going to be doing a very thorough review of the all-new 2014 Range Rover Sport Supercharged V6 HSE. First, we're going to do a quick walk around and take a quick look at its exterior design. Second, we'll take a detailed look at the interior. We'll also start up the engine and let you listen to the exhaust sounds. And third, we're going to take a thorough look at the specs of the engine, wheels, trunk, and lights. Alright, so here's the remote for the car. About 80% black with 20% chrome. On the remote we have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and the panic button. Alright, all you have to do is leave the keys in your pocket and stand next to the door. And to lock the door, simply press right there to lock it from outside. And to unlock, simply put your hand behind the door handle and it will automatically unlock. Here's a quick look of the interior. Interior is all leather. Looks very nice as you can see. Alright. Here's a quick view of the side door. Now let's go ahead and jump into the driver's seat now. To turn the engine on, all you have to do is push your foot on the brake and press the start button right there. And the engine is on. Let's go ahead and give it a few revs and let you guys listen to the exhaust pipe. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood and see what's under it. To open the hood, all you have to do is lift this lever out. That will initially open the hood. Now let's go ahead and walk over here. And to open the hood fully, there's going to be a metal piece right in between the Range Rover lettering here. All you have to do is lift it up and raise the hood. And as I mentioned earlier, under the hood we have the 3.0 liter with 340 horsepower aluminum alloy supercharged V6 engine with 330 foot-pounds of torque. It is an 8-speed automatic transmission with standard manual mode with command shift. And lastly, it is a full-time all 4-wheel drive. And when we talk about fuel economy, it gets 17 miles per gallon in the city, 23 miles per gallon on the highway. When combined, it gets 19 miles per gallon. And when talking about speed test, the 2014 Range Rover Supercharged HSE can accelerate from 0 to 60 at approximately 7 seconds. Alright, let's go ahead and go back inside and let's see what we have in the interior. Here's the steering wheel. See, it is all leather, looks pretty nice. 4 spokes. We have silver trimming at the bottom here. Steering wheel feels very comfortable and nice. To the left side here we have the voice command with a different audio mode. Over here we got the cruise control with the heated steering wheel. Range Rover in the middle. Windshield wiper here right behind the steering wheel. And to the left side we got the headlamps control, fog lights control, high beam and left and right turn signal. Here's a quick look at the odometer. As you can see in the middle you have a display which can tell you a lot of things such as what driving mode, control of the high beam, AC and heat vents over here with wood trim also, looks very nice. Here's the dash. GPS display. GPS is fully touchscreen. Dual AC heat climate control for both passenger and driver. As you can see the wood trim looks very nice there. 2 cup holder. Alright, let's show you the gear shift box here. You have to push your foot down on the brake and press the button right there. When you put the car into reverse, which is push it up, rear view camera automatically display on the GPS screen, which is a very nice safety feature. Also show you the different turning placement of the steering wheel also. Push your light down to go neutral, all the way down to put it into drive, and push it over to the left to put it into standard mode, and you can simply push up or down to change gears and simply press P to park. Right here we have all the different driving modes. You can select from mud driving and all 4 different driving modes as I mentioned earlier. Right, here it is. Press it down. After the button is raised, you can simply turn it to the right or left to control the different driving mode, and press it back down to lock it into place. Also have hill assist, traction control. Here's the middle armrest compartment. In here we have an USB input with an auxiliary input also, and another 12-volt AC outlet charger. Lift that up and you have more storage space way below. You can put cold drinks or anything in there and it will keep the temperature cold. Now let's take a look at the GPS here. Okay, the parking assist selection right there. Camera, as you can see right here. That's the side view camera. One on the left and one on the right. Different audio modes. Navigation. And you can connect your phone via Bluetooth also. Everything very nice and convenient. We also have a armrest right here, which you can lift up. Above our heads, we have the panoramic sunroof. Let me go ahead and open it and show it to you here. Looks very nice. It extends all the way back to the back passenger seats, which you can open the front part only. Looks very sporty and cool. It is also tinted, so you don't have to worry much about sun getting in. Here's the rear view mirror. Rear view mirror have built-in garage door opener. You can simply input your garage door codes and use those buttons to open and lock your garage doors. Driver sun visor with a small mirror with lights built in. Credit card holder. Very nice. Now let's go into the back seat. Here's a quick view before we jump inside. We have the power lock and unlock button with the power window control. Alright, looks very nice back here also. Very clean with the leather. Alright, let's go ahead and jump inside now. Quick view of the front. Looks very luxurious. Again, I'm 5'7" and I feel very comfortable. I have plenty of room for leg space back here. Alright, we also have two more AC and heat vents back here. And back passenger seat can also be controlled with heat. Way below here we have another 12-volt AC outlet charger. And here's a quick view of the panoramic sunroof from the back seat. Looks very nice again. Let me show you how much leg space I have. Middle compartment in the back. Have two more cup holder with a storage space there also. It just feel very comfortable and clean in here. And again, back seats are perforated. Lights control. Here's a quick view of the trunk. As for the passenger side door, we have 4 power window control with the side view mirror control and up to 3 memory for readjustment of the driver's seat. Here's the power window control with the power lock and side view mirror button. Now I'd like to show you how to fold the side view mirror. Simply press both buttons on the right and the left and the mirror will fold. Do that again to unfold. Meridian speakers. 3 memory for easy readjustment of the driver's seat. Range Rover door seal, which can be found on both driver and passenger side. Gas and brake pedals. Trunk release button. As you can see, driver's seat and passenger seat are both perforated, which can also control with heat. Multiple adjustment for the seat. You can move the seat up, down, forward, backwards. You can also bulge out the back and tilt the back also. Also have lumbar support. As you can see, you can also move up and down the headrest. Here's a gas tank. Simply push it in and pull it out. In order to do that, you must make sure the car is unlocked, and you must use premium gasoline only. Now let's go ahead and show you a quick view from this side. And for the front, Range Rover door sealed again. Here's a complete view of the dash. Plenty of leg space over here also in the front. Here was what you'll be seeing sitting in the passenger side. Alright, let's go ahead and go back outside and get a closer view at the front now. Up front, as you can see, we have the bi-xenon automatic headlamps with LED signature power washer. Very nice Range Rover vent here. Side fender. Two front camera, as I mentioned earlier, one on the left and one on the right. Fog lights at the bottom left and right. Also have built-in parking sensors which automatically notify the driver when the car gets too close to hitting something, which is a very nice safety feature also. Again, here's a closer look at the bi-xenon automatic headlamps with LED signature and power washer that helps set the Range Rover Sport apart from everything else on or off the road. Trying to zoom it in for you. Looks very nice. Now for a closer look at the top. As you can see, it is all tinted out, so not much sun can get inside, which keep the interior cool. And as I mentioned earlier, on this specific model right here, we have 20-inch aluminum alloyed wheels with 5 double spokes rims, which looks very nice and sporty also. Side view mirror can be controlled with heat, with integrated LED turn signals. Another camera on the side here. Now let's pop the trunk. Simply press that button and the trunk will be open. As you can see, the trunk is very spacious, plenty of room for luggage. And you have this trunk cover, which you can simply pull it out to cover the whole trunk so that the front will not be able to see. Trunk mats. We lift this up, we have this spare tire rest right under it. Very nice. And you can close the trunk manually or simply press this button to close the trunk. As simple as that. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you haven't visited our Facebook page yet, you go ahead and click in the Facebook description link in the description box and visit our Facebook page. Thanks again everyone for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests for car reviews, go ahead and leave me a comment below for future car reviews. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and give our videos a thumbs up. Again, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see everyone in the next video review.